thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to style my hair with Pantene Pro V Volume and Body Mousse. It leaves my hair soft and silky and manageable with like a nice bounce. I can run my fingers through my hair. It doesn't feel like there's product in there. And it just still looks so nice and shiny and healthy when you go and get your hair styled and they do the round brushing and they work on your hair and you leave and you're like, wow, my hair just looks amazing. This is how I create this look. And you can see, like, no matter which way I put my hair, like, there's a really good body. So I can go to the left, I can go to the right, and then even if I go, you know, down the middle, or I guess that's kind of off part, but I still have really good volume, like, no matter what way I go. So my hair can be quite limp. It naturally just wants to stay like flat to my head, and I like it when I have a little bit more body and movement. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is damp. I've put a leave-in already and I've towel dried it while I was putting my makeup on. I like to shake it up first really well, and this smells amazing. It's so fruity, and I take about like a palm full. I don't even know what the scent is, but it's so fruity and juicy, like it smells delicious. So I will basically kind of just like get a little bit on both hands like this, and then I just start working it all at my roots. I usually don't take anything down to the ends, and you can see as I'm doing it, you know, it's making it look a little bit more wet. I am going to take a little bit more just for the underneath. So I'm gonna work that all into the roots underneath as well. And it will literally like make your hair smell so amazing. But it gives so much body. What I like about it is that it makes it so that I can wash my hair less frequently, because my hair doesn't get oily when I have this in my roots. So then what I will do is I separate the top from the bottom. So I'll just pin this up like that. Separate this into two. So this is like a hair dryer and a round brush into one, and I just put it on high. My necklace is heating up and burning my neck. So maybe don't do that. Normally I wouldn't have a necklace on while I'm doing this, but I wanted to look presentable while I was filming. So yeah, that got really hot.
As the notes break up and find their place into the dark, the deep and dark endless space, we're swimming in the sea of life, swimming in the sea of life, swimming in the sea of life.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a section kind of like right here and pull that down. And again, do the exact same thing that I was doing with the bottom section. see how you've already got like so much body and lift in there before you even like curl it or anything. Like, it's so hard for me to get this kind of lift without this volume mousse. It also gives you like a really good amount of shine, and it kind of puts like a little bit of, it doesn't feel producty in the hair at all, but it does give you a little bit of stick so that you can really work with the round brush and like get a good amount of volume in there. But you can see how it just like makes the hair fall so nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair now, and then I'll show you the finished result.
There's something in the sky, but all I see is you, holding on to us as if it's all I have. I'm a dreamer in the light, dreamer in the night, dreamer in the sky. I'm a dreamer in the light, dreamer in the night, dreamer. I wanna let go, fly where the wind blows. I wanna taste the air again. And when I lift off, my mind will turn off. My heart will feel love once again. I just wanna fly. I just wanna fly away. I just wanna fly. I just wanna fly. There's something in my heart, I feel it tear apart when I hold on. I've got to let it go, I've got to let it go into the dawn. I'm a dreamer in the light, dreamer in the night, dreamer in the sky. I'm a dreamer in the light, dreamer in the night, dreamer. I wanna let go, fly where the wind.
Okay, so I've curled my hair, and I like to curl everything going back on the top to give me as much body as possible. And there is the final result. So the hair looks nice and soft. I mean, it feels so soft. It doesn't feel like there's any product in there whatsoever, but it's got nice volume and bounce and shine. It looks healthy. I absolutely love the fact that I can go 3 to 4, possibly even 5 days without having to add dry shampoo or wash my hair, and it will still stay with like all of this volume, and it won't get greasy, which is my favorite part. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. Be sure to check out that mousse and try it out for yourself. It's awesome, and I hope you guys all have a great day.